Welcome back, everybody. Thanks to Expert Minute Project, we've shared with you some of our field of expertise, ideas and vision. We truly hope you've enjoyed this wonderful experience and you've discovered and learned more about our market vision and approach, like coming low gas carbon revolution or the Chinese and North American market, about quality priority we have in the heart of our development through our quality experts on production line or at the design stage, also about our huge industrial capacity from production line design to the delivery of our product all around the world, and about so much more. All our experts are always happy to share. Let's meet in some months in our stand at the MCE exhibition. Save the date! Today, as a major actor of the HVAC world, we must anticipate market evolution and answer to new expectations. Based on all these skills, as well as its experience, Sermeta is about to present you an unexpected innovation. Be ready to discover it in Milan at the MCE exhibition. Thank you, everybody. We are looking forward to meeting you.